Hello and welcome back to Chris Harrison's Trading Diary. And yesterday was my first proper day trading. Sunday evening I purchased the FTMO £10,000 funded account challenge. That's my first ever funded account challenge purchased. And as I mentioned in a previous video, I also have my own live account, which is a small account. I've put £200 in there, and looking to grow that. I will be putting wages in each week as well to build it up, but I'm looking to grow that small account as much as I can, just via trading. So, excuse me, I've just woke up. As I woke up, I've been awake about 20 minutes and feeling a bit bunged up today, so I'm sorry if that's coming through on the sound. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, so I purchased the FTMO account. Now I've done loads of the free trials. That's when I did all my ideas, all my, practicing obviously. And I get these ideas pop into my head, try these things, and sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. I've blown loads of the practice accounts and passed a few as well, obviously. So going into this, I've told myself this is serious. Funds are limited. I can't just keep throwing money at getting this account. It needs to happen. So I'm taking it very, really seriously. I've noticed even yesterday the way I traded changed. I've always tried to, when I've been practicing, make it as real as possible. But yesterday it was real. There was no pretending it was real, it was real. But as of late, when I've been practicing, I've noticed I've been getting quite impatient, taking trades that probably shouldn't have. I looked alright on TradingView, all my indicators, lined up and we were ready to go. And then it all goes to shit, basically. But yesterday I just sat and I waited. I waited and I waited, and I found myself looking at different time frames, higher time frames, because normally I just trade on the 5 minute. And I took a couple of short trades. For those of you who don't know, a short trade is a sell. The first one, so I do a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So I risk 2% to make, there's a now tell a lie. That one I think I did risk 2% to make 2.5. Anyway, it went down to about 180 quid, I think, something like that. And then it started to turn on me, so I bailed out. About 30 odd quid I bailed out at. So I was in profit, but only about 30 quid. Turns out it would have gone up. I don't think it would have hit my stop loss, but it would have given me a bit of a rough ride, and it didn't come back down. So I took another trade when all my indicators were lined up, and it went down. It hit my take profit. I think that was 200 and about 208, I think, because I finished would have been because I finished the day at about 230 quid in profit. 2 trades, called it a day there. I was going to do a third. 3 trades a day. I was going to do a third, but I didn't. Nothing sort of set up. So I put the laptop away and was watching a bit of telly. And so I was happy with that. I was happy with that finish on that day. I'm not going to be doing any trading on that account on the morning. When I finish recording this, I'm just going to have a look at the charts, and I will do a trade on my live account, my small account. I'm going to be looking at gold, taking a trade for the day. I'll do that a lot differently. I'll look at the higher time frames, and excuse me, sorry. I'll look at the higher time frames, and I want a longer run. I do risk more on that. So there's just under £200 because yesterday I lost a tenner, made a fiver. So yeah, probably now as trades maybe risk £5, £10 to make £10. Each trade in the 5 days is a winner. That's 50 quid. Not a lot, but built it up, doesn't it? I'm looking at the 10 pip challenge. Don't know. Might do. Might have a go at it, see what happens. Might just do it just to give some feedback for it. But yeah, so yesterday was good. But that was yesterday. Today's a new day. Gonna have a look at the charts now, see what that's about. It's gonna be the same. Gold didn't actually. Gold was my afternoon trades. In the morning, what I lost £10 on. What I lost £10 on was the British pound versus the Swiss franc. Yeah, practice the other day on the FTMO free trial went really well. Did about 700 quid on that. But obviously I'm not going to make that on a £200 account. So I'm not looking to. £10 will do me. So yeah, I'm now going to sit, have a cup of tea, look at the charts. It's nearly 8 o'clock. So the London opening time will be soon. I usually wait then until the first half an hour's gone before I start. Most of my trading's done after 2:30. I sort of get confused with the times because I know it's not the same as we've seen in the UK. We go forward and backwards an hour. But I always say after 8:30 I'll have a look at putting a trade on if there is one. But I'll probably do that on gold today. I trade mainly gold. I love gold. I think from today's a news day as well, so I'll have to watch that. Don't want to be trading on that because I'll lose my FTMO account, I think. So here we go. That was my update from yesterday, which was day 1 of real trading. Let's see what day 2 brings. Thanks for watching. Hit the I'll try and be a bit more with it on my next video. As I woke up this morning and I'm all, so might not even put a trade on, to be honest, if I'm feeling a bit crappy. I want each one to be, I know I'm not going to win them all, but I'd like to know that each trade I've put on is because I think, yes, this one is going to be it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Wish me well, and hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel to follow me on the journey, especially if you're new to trading yourself. And yeah, I'll tell you all about what happens about Tuesday. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.